Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android apps with Samsung Cloud and Smart Switch. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start backing up your Android apps using Samsung Cloud and Smart Switch, first, ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Next, open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. In this menu, select Backup and Restore. You will see options for both Samsung Cloud and Smart Switch. To use Samsung Cloud, tap on Backup Data. Here, you'll be able to choose what you want to backup. Make sure to check apps to include your applications in the backup. Once you've made your selection, tap on Backup. Your device will begin the backup process, which may take a few minutes. After the backup is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, let's switch to Smart Switch. Return to the Accounts and Backup menu. This time, tap on Smart Switch. If you haven't installed Smart Switch, follow the prompts to download it from the Galaxy Store. Open the Smart Switch application once it's installed. Connect your device to a computer using a USB cable. On the Smart Switch interface, select Backup. A dialog box will pop up, confirming the backup process. Click OK to start backing up your apps and other data. Wait for the backup process to finish, which may take several minutes. Once complete, you will see a message confirming that the backup was successful. You can now safely disconnect your device from the computer. Your Android apps are now backed up using both Samsung Cloud and Smart Switch. In case of data loss, you can restore your apps from either backup method. Your device is now secured with all your important apps backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.